Hello, dear friends. Get ready to check out an amazing selection of coolest products from AliExpress that you need. You will find all the links to these products in the description below with hot deals and major discounts you won't want to miss. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for updates. Let's go. Number 1. Have you ever wished for extra eyes on the road while driving? Introducing the KQQ 2K Dashcam, the ultimate car accessory that will give you peace of mind on every journey. With its front and rear camera and incredible features, this powerful black box is a must-have for any vehicle. Take a look at what it offers. High-quality recording. Capture every moment in stunning 2340x1296 resolution. 24-hour parking monitor. Never worry about your car's safety with continuous surveillance. Night vision. Clear footage even in low-light situations for added security on the road. Upgrade your driving experience with the KQQ 2K Dashcam, equipped with the latest technology for your safety and convenience. Order yours now and hit the road with confidence. Number 2. Have you been searching for a reliable and high-quality car dashcam? Look no further than the WOLFBOX G930 4K car DVR dual-lens mirror camera. Designed with your safety in mind, this innovative product not only captures crystal-clear 4K video, but also features a built-in GPS and 24-hour parking view for added security. With its sleek touchscreen and easy-to-use interface, recording your road trips has never been easier. Plus, with a 1-year warranty and included accessories, you can trust in the durability and longevity of this dash cam. Don't wait any longer. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX G930 today. Captures 4K video for stunning clarity, built-in GPS and 24-hour parking view for added security, user-friendly touchscreen interface for easy recording and playback. Number 3. Looking for a reliable dash camera that captures every detail of your drive? Look no further than the WOLFBOX 12E dash camera. With its 4K resolution and dual cameras, this black box is sure to impress. But that's not all. Let's take a closer look at its features. How does the f1.5 aperture ensure clear and crisp footage? Worried about extreme temperatures affecting your dash cam? The WOLFBOX can handle it with a working temperature range of 10 to 60 degrees. And with a 1-year warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. But that's not all. Here are 3 more features that make the WOLFBOX stand out from the rest. Comes with a 5mm cable and accessories for easy installation. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, so you can easily access your footage on the go. With a data storage capacity of 32GB to 128GB, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for your recordings. Upgrade your driving experience with the WOLFBOX 12 Ace dash camera. Order yours today. Thanks for watching.